Is your carpet making the wrong first impression? At ServiceMaster Commercial Cleaning by Alliance, we bring your carpets back to life with precision, professionalism, and care. Whether it's your home, office, hotel, or healthcare facility, our professional carpet cleaning services deliver spotless results every time. Steam carpet cleaning, dry carpet cleaning, pet odor and stain removal, carpet protection, carpet restoration and fiber care, deep carpet cleaning for high traffic areas, eco-friendly carpet cleaning solutions, office and industrial carpet maintenance. Our eco-friendly carpet cleaning methods are safe for your employees, pets, and the planet. Stubborn stains to worn-out carpet fibers, we revive, refresh, and restore your floors like never before. Hotels, hospitals, restaurants, schools, and corporate offices with expert commercial carpet cleaning solutions tailored to your industry. And we don't stop at carpets. We offer full floor and carpet cleaning, janitorial services, pressure washing, dryer vent cleaning, and more. Carpet cleaning near you? Trust the best. Trust ServiceMaster Commercial Cleaning by Alliance. Call us now at 856-521-9111 or get a quote online at servicemasterclean.com. ServiceMaster Commercial Cleaning by Alliance. Free estimates, fast scheduling, 100% satisfaction, guaranteed. We don't just clean carpets, we elevate your environment.